Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, let's update our view on euro currency. So we see that precisely on the late Friday we have got this upward reaction, and actually the grabber that we have discussed on the weekly chart appears to be valid. So that was the reason why we have decided to wait until the close of the week, because sometimes this event happens right at the close of the weekly bar and situation changed drastically. Just few pips lower and context could turn to the bearish. But currently we have weak but still bullish context because we have the directional pattern on the weekly chart. Yes, maybe this is just a byproduct of the recent collapse and just a combination of the closing price with it, but technically we have it. And despite that, overall action here doesn't look really attractive for taking a long position. It's okay if you do not want to buy, but in the current circumstances it would be better to wait. If you would like to take the short position, it would be better to wait when the situation around this weekly grabber will be resolved. Either it will start working, you just escape bad position, or it will fail and you will get additional background for considering taking the short position. Speaking about the long entry, here guys, actually this collapse that has happened in sharp reversal, this is not an effect of some economical moments. It's just because recent news suggests some strength in the euro, just because we've got rising inflation in Germany, which potentially should postpone the next rate move from the European Central Bank. So this is purely the political factor, and also you could see it on European stock indexes, in the DAX, in the CAC, especially in the France index that has dropped for 6% more. So this is the political effect on the Macron mess, and actually some hope exists that this might not last for too long. Maybe in the beginning of the next week, the effect will start fading and our euro could return back to its fundamental driving factors. From that standpoint, we have two different ways to act. Most simple way is just don't bother with these some nuances. Take the position with the weekly grabber, place stop somewhere below these lows, and just forget about it and see what will happen. This is the most simple way. Since the potential stop loss order will be not really too far, this also has some advantages. It has own pressure of this trading setup. More advanced approach suggests some monitoring of the intraday market and searching chances and patterns for taking position with the potential less risk factor. So if you take a look at the lower time frames, particularly speaking on the hourly chart, we have great thrust, some upward bounce, and here our task is to watch on Monday possible bullish patterns. What patterns might be? Of course, it might be double repo buy, right? Maybe some butterfly might be formed here. As usual, what patterns we're looking for? So the same, all of them are the same, and they repeat again and again on the same points on the market in moments of the reversal. Once we will get it, obviously intraday patterns, especially in the hourly chart, provides significantly less potential risk, because we do know risk points of these patterns. We could just place corresponding stops, which will be significantly less than if you will trade it directly on the weekly chart, for example. So this is the first moment. Speaking generally about the current situation and market placement here, I would say that this is actually a vital point for the bulls. So actually it was already vital around this area, but since market was able to hold the grabber, it still stands around this vital area. Why it is vital? Because actually the lows that where market stands right now has a special meaning not only for the weekly grabber, it also has the special meaning for the monthly grabber, which is around these lows. And if markets start dropping, it will erase also a bullish pattern, potential bullish pattern. That will be just catastrophe for the bulls. This will and cancel all the bullish background, suggesting significantly deeper downward action. If even you will take a look at the fall time frame chart and take a look what we have. In fact, currently we already have pattern in place, which is the Gartley's triple to buy, right? So OP mostly is down, just a few pips difference. That's why I said let's keep watching for a possible butterfly. This butterfly could show some minor new low and complete the, even theoretically, completion of the OP. And that's led us to just get the pattern and entry point. But all other targets, let's take a look, they stand significantly below this area. So if we extend this to the XOP, it stands 105.30. Potential butterfly that might be formed stands at 105.15. So all of them suggest erasing of the monthly bullish grabber. So that's why the current points where market stands, and actually some kind of the hope of last resort for the bulls. And actually last point where theoretically it's possible to consider taking the long position. Yes, indeed, overall performance doesn't look really attractive, as I said, too fast action, here's even with the gap and so on. But here we need to take into consideration the political component. So yes, this is some kind of the pain of gain situation, but if you take it reasonably, you could get really great chances to trade in the current environment. That's what we intend to do actually. So that's probably all from me on the current situation. Let's keep watching what we'll get on Monday. Probably some reaction here will happen. We will get either patterns or market will just erase the bullish component, bullish context. So and then on Tuesday, an update, we will make a decision on following steps.